Handai ka ba ima pat ka long ba don na preng ki dukan ki bla pli hapo khandai lat mata ka sngi kim chim la pintrei kam pura yi ki kandon ni ki hukum la pinjiri ki Boston Char district ha ka ba kala don ka jingi rung bon brio pat ka jingi shong kham nya hakut jong dukan ka ba dakkala ka pin ima pat boru ya ka jing si num sim la da yo i yaka Handai don pat ki dukan ki bla bod renti bhai ki kandon da ka ba ki la thau ya ki jing shet ha ka met ka jong ubrio ki bakwa ban thi jing thiet na ki dukan ki jongki Nangta banda pakalan yiki slakti di kidawai penyap yaki kenyang jingpang. Pada kut jongki dukan kila deburu yaki dak yaki nongtit nongpet pakinyang. Pat kimsha igi banya rung bun ngut hagaju kapor. Kitrai dukan ki penpau bakayo khandai lat nangni shakamat kanum longshu kumba kajulong hagi por kibla leino. Hagaba andan kam ban wanra yiki babun ki jingkala hakaliang banya di yatit. Namar ke jengwan berling shop jongka klam COVID-19 ne coronavirus ka pelong yiki bakan ha bakan chim de ki wei pat ki sinjam kum chibenta ban puntulun ya la ki kam ki jam man la ka sngi ki jongki Handai long kat bakalong nyopho ar sngi ki jing khangdam ki trai dukan menta hi ka kinti ki la ma chi shai ki jing e ka bakra ha ka liang ka khai ka pateng ka jongki khlem da pun kan mau ba ka jing edi yathiet ha ka nong ba klas dang bakan cha khta jor nadu shwa ban kut jong usnem arajar khat khandai ha ka ba upai ba jong jala hapok jingalam ki seng balang prepare kila pelong ye ki jing ki ban persha ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act but shibna shwa ka jing khangdam kala mi pat ka jingkul mar hapok snong ishamati pat hadin kani haka arhui trik ulber arajar arpo lasdang ye ka jing khangdam beningkong ta ka sarkar jalla
No, earlier when they started opening, they were confused also, we were confused also, which shop is open and which shop not open, like that. But since yesterday everything has been rectified, since day before yesterday. So now it's okay, they have given numbers, no? After getting these numbers, it is now easy. Now our number is today, like number 2 is today, number 3 uncle shop is tomorrow. Like that, number 4 is shoe center, they will have day after tomorrow. My other shop, Police Bazaar, you must have seen, that is open tomorrow. That has gone to number 3.
Okay. Now, what about the flow of customers? Is it is there much customers?
No,
Are you able
customers will take long time to come back in the same position. It will take long time, maybe month of December or so.
Okay. And did you receive any help from the government, financial aid?
Financial aid we haven't got any. And to tell you frankly, we haven't applied also.
Okay.
But the central government, whatever the PF amount for 6 months, they have allowed us free.
Okay.
Employer also, employee also.
Okay.
This is the only aid we got. That's all. And in the shop we allow maximum 10 numbers of people. Because one customer brings 2 people, 3 people, so 3 customers at a time, not more than that. 3 groups at a time.
Okay.
3 groups of 3 or 4 persons.
Okay.
Not more, not beyond that. And if it is excess, then we stop them here and request them to wait. That's all.
Say that because we have already make a coupon system, but still we are telling to customer that maintain a social distance, but they are not listening to that. They are coming with the family like 2-3 people together, and they want to see the mobile or whatever want to see TV or they want to see together. They want to decide together itself. They don't want to see by social distance. That's all. Supply is okay. We are getting the supply. As much as we are trying, we are getting it. No shortage of the stockage.
And what about I think there's a huge crowd, right? Like many customers.
Yes.
The sale is, how's the sale going?
So far it's better. Improving sale now. After lockdown, people are coming out. So improving the sale.
I can see people easily coming in. Is there any ways and means like you can keep the people outside and let just few people to enter the shop?
We are trying, but the public, they are not listening to us. They are telling no, we have to enter. We did a coupon system also, but they are not following with that coupon system also.
So basically, retail sector has been shut for the last 73 days almost now. So the biggest challenge was our inventory, which comes according to season. And then we have to sustain our staff. The rentals are still on, and there are bank liabilities and everything, so we have to take care of that. And most of the stock is like paid up stock, so when the stock doesn't sell, we have to sell it at a discounted price. So that's a total revenue loss, and it hits our profitability very badly then.
So now with the relaxations that they've made, are you able to cover up, like make up for the loss that you've?
So like Police Bazaar has just opened up last few days, and this is the first day we've got a chance to open up. So let's hope people get to the new normal and they learn how to live in the new normal, and that's going to be a challenge for everybody. So let's hope everybody learns to how continue that old style of shopping with the new guidelines and everything. So there are a lot of safety checks and precautions we have put in place for all our stores. So all the stores we are having mandatory checks of temperature, sanitizing all the customers before they are coming in. And once they are in also, we got guided markers where they have to maintain the distance. We've got tags reminding them of, to wear a mask, sanitize regularly. And in our trial also, like it's a business which needs trial. People need to try the clothes. So we've kept a system where once a customer tries the apparel, we keep their apparel in a different room for 24 hours. So it's a quarantine for the apparel also. So the next customer tries it, it's a sanitized and a quarantined apparel. So these guidelines have been put in place, and we hope that, with the new normal, all these things, everybody starts doing. So it's easier for all the shoppers to shop again then.
What about the dressing rooms? Are you being able to sanitize those, and all the, even like customers coming in and just touching things, are you able to sanitize those?
So basically we've got a policy of no touch. So when a customer walks in, if they like anything, we tell them not to touch it. And our staff is completely sanitized. They're wearing gloves and sanitizing regularly. So they will actually show them the product. And if they want to try it, so we've got the trial mechanism in place where the entire garment and the footwear goes for a quarantine. And the trial room also, before a customer enters, we sanitize all the touch points before he enters the trial room also. So that's been taken care of.
So, what's normally the reaction that you get from the customers? Because this is a new normal that we're looking at, asking customers not to touch and let you to assist them. So how's their reaction?
So basically, customers are happy that safety standards are being maintained and they are comfortable coming into shops. And in future also, I advise all the shopkeepers should follow good protocols so that customer feels safe to shop and they come back to the market. If the environment was not safe at all, they would not want to go to those shops. So they also feel that all safety measures should be taken. So we've also kept a measure where certain number of people coming in, and then we ask them to wait outside and let people move out and then only come into the shop.
Mentang itu nang ni hapo kendai lat bat kumangi hi hadin bagas ka sarkar kami noduk Ministry of Home Affairs bakala ai jingbet ya brokhot ki jala ban sedang ban pli suki pasuki ya ki lat ban ya khai ya pateng ban ya de ya thiet ban pli ya ki yo ki hat takum taru ka sarkar jala rengkat ka jing trailang bat ke district administration kat kalasang ban pli suki ki kaktu kan ni gidukan jong ke kendai lat ka belong kum cibenta ban pli lat ki pai ba bakila ban thiet ban pet ki nu ki jingdon kam compare lagi di jingdon kam simet ni jingdon kam haki yeng kisem kat bang inang ya leng ba kan ke kendai lat ni layo ban rongi ki kaktu ni tli gidukan ni layo ban ring ni layo ban yu kuma pilayo ihi ki don ru gidukan pat Kibak om chimla but dikna ya kita ki kendon ni ki jing perkheng ka baka sarkar kala de ban product kum ka ba numla ban yerong than hagju ka por ban rong bon brio than nei don pat ka bi tanat pat kalong bagi don pat ki dukan ki bla sim kya ya kita ki lajing ada ban pani ba ya ki pai ba da ka baki la penon kam na du ban ai ki pai ba so ban rong ya ki jing sakti nang ta ki don ru ki dukan ki bla kham jam kham sakmat wat ban tho ya ka jing shet ha ka met jong ki pai ba hasu abi kin rong ha ka dukan kini ki bro khoi ki jing play gini ki dukan kalong bakum kalat ban la ba nang ni sakmat kum no ba ka jala lem kham tam nei ba ki pai ba ngila ban ya no sakmat ya ka jingim ka baman kasngi nei tang ba ka wi ngi ha ban kan ma ba ka jingim ka baman kasngi hi kam num long su kum ka julong ha kita gisnam namar kum ka long mentahi ka perthai kampat sim la ban yo nei ban sna ya ka dawai ban ya da ya ka ni ka kham jo ka jingpang covid-19 nei coronavirus ti da kum tar gitu ki khubor kum bang hi ka bakum ka basa menta Kalong saya ka yudo hatung ilan em banyak langkum mapli ya ka kendai lat daga pakai pli siliang bat ngin khang siliang ndai habang ya persang banyak keren banyak tuat jengbut bat ki katu gani ki pai ba ki bawan ha ka yo kendai lat ki don ki bam so ya ha bagi om bade ban pli suki ndai ki don pat ki ba ong ba nomor ka jingkhim ba ka jing khap nya than jong ka yudo kom ma kalong mentai ya menta ka yudo imat nang hap swa ban khang ya ka Hadin ketu kubor ka ege bangila pun skutu hi kalong ba kum ki pai ba wat la da ki yogi don kam bangin play hendai ha ban bur ringking ban bur renti ru ya ki an ki kendon ki bala penyat bat bala penjeri da ke sorkar da ke bangin hab ban husiar hino da la de ya la de bat la da gidon ginu ki dukan ki bo play le se la da ki kham ban bun bure ngi hab ban kiar hino da la de bat da kum ta hi ke jingim ka baman ka singi ke jongi ru kala banya chakmat da ke bangi sumar hi da la de bat ngin chim bangin bot renti ya ki kendon kat kum bala pro da ke sorkar da kum ta ngi kermen banang ni chakmat hi ke jingim ka baman la ka singi ke jongi wat la da kum nom long su kum ba ka julong hendai ngi suki pasuki ngin habanya ya kan ni ke jingim ka bakat ba uni kunyang jimpang udong don ngi ru ngin haban long ki ba adakar bat ngin long ibari bat sumar kendong hi daladi yalati